In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to add music to Canva video. So once we are on the Canva dashboard, go ahead and click on Create Design, and then choose the video. Click on that, and it will redirect you to this page. And once you get there, you can also use the provided videos by the Canva. Let's say for this one. And then what we need to do is click on the apps. Now to be able to add that, we must click on the audio. And then here they have a lot of provided songs here. And if the song is marked as pro, it does have you have to pay for it for you to be able to use it. And we can also search for audio. And once you chose your audio, you can drag it there into the plus. Let's say this one. You can also expand this and select our preferred scene in the audio. Alright, everything goes well. And you can expand it like this. You can do a lot of things here. And that's how you choose the scenes here, by dragging it and clicking on share, and then download the video with music. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.